Did you like this project and do you like to make exactly the same as I did? Then I have all these materials gathered for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I have everything you need to make this project. Let's dig in, and of course this big fat paper mat is included. I use it all, every single inch. Well, a few sheets I had left, so everything is inside each design 6 times, so in total 78 sheets of A4 size, so that's included. Of course, a little welcome note, not necessary because I give you all the measurements during the tutorials, but always handy. Bookbinders linen, crocodile, the chipboard is inside, even the piece for the spine, the cutouts for the nice pockets, the ribbons are inside, the beautiful flowers are inside, the butterflies, the lace butterflies, the golden frames are as well inside, and of course all the embellishments, the brads, the beads, the key, the crystals, everything is inside. So you can make exactly the same album as I did. There's only one thing that is missing in every kit. The cardstock is not included. So I use this time black papers, so that is not included. The normal cardstock you definitely need to get yourself. Your own brand, your own thickness of your papers. That's so personal. Just use what you prefer using. Alright, but for the rest everything is inside. Just send me an email if you like to get this kit and I will see your email. Hopefully, give me a big thumbs up if you like this project. See you. Bye bye.